I'm Michael Krimmer. I work at Bez Industries and I'm the CNC programmer operator. In high school, I discovered that I loved making woodworking stuff in our classes. And I found out there was a program at Conestoga College, actually, one of the best in North America. So it was close to home, and I decided to take it. Okay, so once I've done all the development of the parts, I will get into a sheet style like this, have it ready to go. I can take it from AutoCAD to my CAM program, drop it into this program over here, which controls all the tooling, block it in like this, make sure my origin point is set in the right spot, and I'm ready to make some sawdust. This is my startup screen for the CNC. I've turned it on and I'm ready to go. So that's good to go. I'm going to put the material on. I got to make sure my Z depths are correct. I'm good to go. So I can press start. It's going to start to drill right away and then route afterwards. Typically I machine with the shroud down, but I'm going to put it up so you guys can see.
Have you ever had any projects that were more challenging than you thought?
Every day. Most of the time, there's a challenge on every job, depending on whether the hardware is different or what the client wants or the material that we're working on.
What is your favorite part of the work that you do?
How it's different every day.